To see or be in an amusement park in your dream indicates that you need to set some time for more relaxation and enjoyment in your life. The rides, booths and elements in the amusement park are an expression of some aspect of yourself or some area in your life. Look up the symbolism of specific rides for more details. Alternatively, the dream indicates that you are too easily distracted lately. To dream that the amusement park is empty or abandoned suggests that you need to open yourself to more fun and adventure. To dream that the rides at the amusement park are breaking down means that something in your life is not going as expected. To dream that the amusement park is closed suggests that you are denying yourself your time for fun and leisure. You need a break.